Hi fams, yeah, welcome back to D-Tech. In this video, we're going to be going over how to remove your credit card on Netflix or add a new credit card. You can perform these two activities on Netflix, and to do that, log into your Netflix account and then come to the top right side of the screen once you selected your profile and click on account. Alright, so from quick links at the midsection of the page, you'd see option that says manage payment method. So just go ahead and click on that, and on this next page you can see the credit cards that you have added to your Netflix, and you can have them updated by clicking on this, or you can go ahead and click on the vertical ellipsis icon to remove a card. You can as well add a new payment method to your Netflix account. So on the next page you can click on this to add the details of the card, have this ticked to agree, and also click on save. So that way you have successfully added a new payment method to your Netflix account. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share to your friends, and also subscribe to the channel.